Git has become the quintessential version control system. The rise of Git's popularity can be attributed to its speed, agility, and versatility. Marquee Linux developer Linus Torvalds developed Git, giving it initial credibility. Whether you are a freelancing web developer or a software designer for enterprise-level applications, you can benefit from using Git. It helps you keep track of your files through systematic versioning. Git makes it easier to roll back to older versions of code or create new branches to experiment on the current code base. Also, Git is a distributed version control system, which means you don't have to always connect to a central server to get your work done. Here are 15 essential Git commands to get you started. Number 1. Git Config. The Git Config command lets you set up various options for your Git repository, such as global settings like username and email. Be sure to get your Git system configured with your Git Config before doing too much work. Number 2. Git Clone. The Git Clone command allows you to make a copy of any Git repository. As soon as you clone a repository, the new cloned folder will start keeping track of changes locally. Because Git is distributed, a clone is a fully autonomous Git repository. Number 3. Git Pull. The Git Pull command allows you to download from remote to local all changes to the repo and merge them into your local copy. If other people are updating the repo, you will need to Git Pull frequently to stay up to date. Number 4. Git Check Out. The Git Check Out command takes you to a branch so you can work on the resources in there. You can think of branches as rivers and streams. With a branch, you create a new stream. With a checkout command, you move into that stream. Number 5. Git Add. The Git Add command lets you start tracking files and folders for your Git repository and moves them to the staging area. You'll have to use the Git Commit command to make them permanent on your historical snapshots. Number 6. Git Reset. The Git Reset allows you to unstage added files. Let's say you added a file to your repository. However, you decide you don't want to track it anymore. You can use the Git Reset command to unstage the file. Number 7. Git Dip. The Git Diff command helps you to see the differences between files and folders. If you are making changes in a file, it's a useful tool to quickly evaluate the changes you made. Number 8. Git Commit. The Git Commit command is run after the Git Add command. The Git Commit command is run after the Git Add command. In our Git Add example, we had added the files for tracking, but we hadn't committed it to the Git repository. Tracking stays local until a commit is made. When you commit the changes, they become part of the permanent record. Number 9. Git Log. The Git Log command shows you the commit history. This is essential for sleuthing what has been done in your project files in the past. Number 10. Git grep. The Git grep command allows you to search your Git tree for information. For example, searching for a word in files in our Git repository. The reason for using Git grep over Linux grep is that Git grep is faster for Git repositories. Number 11. Git revert. The Git revert command lets you reverse changes using the commit hash number. If you have committed something by mistake, you will need to revert it using this command. Number 12. Git status. The Git status command displays the difference between current files and the head commit. Run this command when you are not sure of your local state. Number 13. Git branch. In Git, branching is easy. In other version control systems, it was an expensive operation, but Git algorithms are optimized for branching. So you can use the git branch command whenever you want to create a separate line of development without worrying about performance. Number 14. Git merge. The git merge command merges branches. Suppose you are development on a feature branch and want to bring all those changes to the master branch. You can use the git merge command to bring the changes from branch to branch. Number 15. Git push. The git push command is used to push changes to remote repositories. This allows your local work to be part of the community and shared with others as part of the permanent project record. With these 15 commands, you are ready to get started using Git now. For further details and examples, check the article link in the description below entitled 22 Essential Git Commands on linuxhint.com.